Motorcyclists killed in St. Elizabeth crash yesterday identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have named the two motorcyclists who died as a result of injuries they sustained when they collided on the Ballas Valley Main Road in St. Elizabeth on Friday morning. The deceased has been identified as Kimar Hibbert, aged 24 years old, a resident of Plowden District in Manchester, and Odain Swaby, aged 35 years old, a resident of Ridge District in St. Elizabeth. A police report said that at around 6:10 a.m., the men were traveling in opposite direction when they failed to keep left and collided. They were both flung from their motorcycle upon impact. The injured men were taken to the Black River Hospital where they were both pronounced dead. The St. Elizabeth police has since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.